Hey guys, what's up? Jacob Rothenberg here. Saturday morning, as evident from the looks of things here. And I just wanted to ask you guys a particular question. Now, I have done some polling around on Facebook in a couple different groups, my own and a couple others. And my question to you all is, what are you struggling with most in the publishing space? So, what is it about publishing that you're finding roadblocks or issues with in the whole scheme of things? Good portion of you did mention that you're having difficulties with marketing, being able to get reviews for your books, and be able to leverage, I don't know, on Amazon marketing or off platform marketing to be able to sell more copies of your books. Now, for those of you who do watch my channel, you'll know that I've already put out videos related to social media marketing, how to use Facebook groups, how to create your own Facebook group to get things going in the way of building an audience that can buy your book. So let me ask you, granted, yeah, there are already informational resources with being able to market your books. So the question is, why are you still struggling? I'm not asking that in a rhetorical way. I'm generally asking you, why are you still struggling? Is it because the videos being put out regarding marketing are not good? Have you tried it and not seen results or have not met your expectations with what was promised in the way of being able to build hundreds of members into a Facebook group? Or is it that you think that the advice being given is just fluff, it's not really legitimate or worthwhile, and you're just like, he's just making content for his YouTube channel or whoever, and you don't want to build a group? Or is it that you're not willing to put the work in? So let me know what it is. There's a whole slew of other things that come up with issues in publishing, but I'll be transparent with you guys. Look, I'm not trying to make another course, okay? I'm not trying to make another course. We have enough Kindle publishing courses out there. But I want to figure out a way I can still continue to serve the community as best as possible and be as relevant as possible for you guys. I want to tackle real problems you guys are having and be able to come up with a solution for it. If it's something as simple as coming up with YouTube videos covering the topic, we can do that. It'd be great though if maybe we had a problem that everyone was having or that a lot of people are having in the industry, and we could come up with one solution to answer that problem in the way of either content and resources, maybe even software or some kind of application or solution that can help automate the process or walk you through the process or just make the overall process of what you're struggling with easier. So let me know what you guys are really having trouble with in the way of marketing or what else you're struggling with currently. And I'd like to brainstorm. Maybe I'll put a panel group together, a study group, ask you guys, what we could address most with publishing or making money online in general. And we can come up with a couple ideas. So it's Saturday, guys. I'm not going to do a long-winded video today. I'm going to enjoy my day. Hope you are too. See you later. Take care.